Do you ever feel frustrated when you want to speak English but just can't find the right words? Today, I'm going to teach you 50 super useful English words that will instantly make your English stronger, and the best part? You'll learn them quickly without boring memorization. Hi, I'm Tame, and if you want to speak English more confidently, you're in the right place. Before we start, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because I post English tips every day that make learning fast and fun. Section 1. Quick tip before words. Here's a quick tip. Don't try to memorize all 50 words at once. Just focus on understanding their meaning and how to use them in a sentence. That's the secret to learning faster. Section 2. The words. I grouped into 5 for better understanding, so let's get started. Group 1. Everyday conversation words. 1. Actually. I actually like this song. 2. Definitely. I'll definitely help you. 3. Probably. She will probably come later. 4. Maybe. Maybe we can try again tomorrow. 5. Literally. I literally ran 5 kilometers. 6. Seriously? Are you seriously joking? 7. Basically. Basically, it's very simple. 8. Possibly. We could possibly meet tomorrow. 9. Absolutely. I absolutely agree with you. 10. Perhaps. Perhaps he forgot about it. Group 2. Words for describing people. 11. Confident. She's a confident speaker. 12. Curious. I'm curious about that story. 13. Generous. He's very generous with his time. 14. Honest. Always be honest with your friends. 15. Intelligent. She's incredibly intelligent. 16. Patient. Be patient with beginners. 17. Polite. He was polite to everyone. 18. Relaxed. I feel relaxed today. 19. Shy. He is shy around strangers. 20. Talented. She's talented in music. Group 3. Words for daily life. 21. Convenient. This app is very convenient. 22. Delicious. This cake is delicious. 23. Expensive. That watch is too expensive. 24. Comfortable. These shoes are comfortable. 25. Interesting. That movie is interesting. 26. Important. It's important to study daily. 27. Simple. The instructions are simple. 28. Difficult. This exercise is difficult. 29. Popular. This song is very popular. 30. Useful. This tip is very useful. Group 4. Words to express feelings. 31. Excited. I'm excited for the trip. 32. Nervous. She feels nervous before exams. 33. Worried. He's worried about the results. 34. Proud. I'm proud of my team. 35. Sad. He feels sad today. 36. Happy. I'm happy with my progress. 37. Surprised. She was surprised by the gift. 38. Tired. I'm tired after work. 39. Relaxed. I feel relaxed on weekends. 40. Confused. I'm confused by this question. Group 5. Words for thinking and speaking. 41. Suggest. I suggest we take a break. 42. Recommend. I recommend this book. 43. Explain. Can you explain this? 44. Understand. I understand your problem. 45. Believe. I believe in you. 46. Imagine. Imagine a better future. 47. Consider. Consider all the options. 48. Decide. I need to decide quickly. 49. Remember. Remember to lock the door. 50. Forget. Don't forget your keys. Final tips. Here's how you'll remember all 50 words. Use them in sentences every day. Even saying just one sentence per word will make your English much stronger. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more fast English learning tips. Comment below which word was your favorite, and I'll help you use it in a real sentence.